traverse is one I like to avoid. My hobbies include popping ollies off an asteroid, feeling the flow of the snow as we go. The sun makes you blush in the slush, you should know. 50 on the nose, trim nails on the toes, full charge on the pod. When it dies, it blows like the wind, again and again, stinging in my nerve ends. The chills they send in the bend of my knee. It makes me see that this can be free if you hike up the trees. Use them as a handhold, brave and bold in the cold. So I'm told, I'm floating on the Freshies, floating on the Freshies, floating on the Freshies, floating on the Freshies, brave and bold in the cold, so I'm told. Free if you hike up the trees. That's not my thing, too much work that must bring. Stick me on a lift, stick a lighter in my fist. I'm fighting for the flame, it becomes a game. Pull jacket over brain, work magic like David Blaine. Levitating, elevating, glass box, vegetating, simulator, imitate distraction from the concentrate. Goofy footed, poofy hooded, left side as I shoot it through the trees like the breeze as I'm floating on the Freshies, floating on the Freshies, floating on the Freshies, I'm floating on the Freshies, brave and bold in the cold. I'm a floating on the Freshies.